Imagine building a full website, design, text, and images using only AI. I know it might sound crazy, but this year it is totally possible. And not any AI website, but one that actually has functionality, high quality design, and it is perfect for your brand. So in this video, we will dive into Elementor AI and how easy it is to use it to build your website. Even with little design experience, you can use this tool and the AI website design tools that Elementor has for you to create a stunning website, customize homepages, about pages, product pages, and more for your own online store or for your client's website. Let's get started. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to start designing a website for yourself or for your client is to start planning before touching any AI tool. Every great website starts with clarity. So step number one, outline your idea. What is the purpose of your site? Is it for your own brand, a business, or a client project? Step number two is to understand your customer or their niche. So who is visiting this website and what do they want to get out of it? Step three, define your goals. Do you want to sell products, book clients, or promote a course or a digital service? So first, you need this clear vision about your customer's business, about your own business. And with that, you'll be able to give AI the right prompt and the right direction to help you design the website. So again, we're not letting AI design the website for us. We're just using it to help us and make the job easier. So step number two is setting up the website with Elementor AI. Now, if you haven't already, I suggest using Elementor hosting for your WordPress website. You can find it at the link below. A few reasons why I am choosing Elementor for WordPress website is because it has a great speed, scalability, it is responsive, it is super user-friendly, and it is perfect for hosting multiple websites as well. So this is what I use for all my websites. It is really easy to use for your clients' websites as well because Elementor, the page builder, gives you flexibility to add any design you want, any animation, images, embed videos, and so much more. So with WordPress pre-installed, with Elementor, you can start using the free credits you have for AI. And if you like it and it helps you, make sure to purchase more credits for AI. So what can Elementor AI help you do without coding and without stress? It can help you generate layout, write content, and even customize styles instantly. But to get the best results for your site, you can pair it with two more AI. So ChatGPT for smarter text prompts and even FreePick AI for visuals. So let's start with the copy. The Elementor AI already has a tool that helps you enhance the prompt. So we're going to try that first. Let's say we're building a website for a fitness coach. So you can go into ChatGPT and write engaging homepage copy for a personal fitness coach who helps busy professionals get in shape at home. Include a catchy headline, short tagline, call to action, and section titles. Now you can take those or you can tweak them a little so they match your style and paste them into Elementor AI. This is where you can see how Elementor AI works to design your page by adding sections, different text layouts, and more. If you want, you can also use Elementor AI per section and not necessarily per the entire page. So for example, you can tell it, I need a 2-section column with text underneath each image so I can showcase these clients' packages, for example. Now let's test the AI layout generator inside Elementor AI again. And let's say something like create a modern homepage layout for a fitness coaching website with a hero section, services section, testimonials, and a contact form. And here is how Elementor AI performs creating the homepage for us. And then with the Elementor builder, it is super simple to just replace the text, replace the images, add animations, hover effects, and so much more. You can even use Elementor AI to modify the design that it already made. So for example, make this design more minimal or use a bold, modern style. It is like having a personal designer working with you. So again, we're using AI to help us build a stunning website, not just create it for us, because as a web designer, you need to have your input into the website you're creating for your clients. You have the best expertise and AI is not here to to take our jobs, but to help us improve them. Now, you can use a tool such as FreePic AI to generate AI images, but if your client is a fitness coach, for example, my suggestion is to get professional photos done by a photographer with them in the gym or providing the courses that they do, training, and so much more. So the website can really be customized to your specific customer and to their target audience. By doing that, you are keeping their brand cohesive. So this is something that is super important to do. So if you are a website designer and you need some help with generating different ideas for layout for different clients that you might have, Elementor hosting and the AI website builder are the things that you need to try. So how do we actually use AI to help us build better websites as web designers? We create the entire plan, we come up with a content strategy, with a website strategy, but we use AI to help us design without needing to code. That is the beauty of Elementor. It is a super simple, also drag and drop tool that you can use as your page builder, and it really takes out the stress in having to code or design specific sections of your pages because it is so easy to do by using their tools. So again, for the best hosting for WordPress website and an AI website builder that truly helps you, make sure to check them out at the link below. If you've enjoyed the video and it helped you, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe. Let me know that in the comments if you've ever used Elementor AI to design your website, and if so, which type of website was it? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!